The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Twist the securing clips to unlock and remove the panel. Unclip the 3 tabs on the filter housing door. Then lift the door to free the front tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Align the front tabs of the housing door. Then push the door closed to reclip the rear tabs. Reinstall the panel by threading the base in. Then push in on the clips to secure the panel. Twisting the clips may help make it easier.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.